Right, it's Lloyd here. I'm just going to quickly show you what you get in the box and what electronics I'll be using. Before I start, I'm going to say that yes, this is an older kit, but they're on sale at the moment, obviously at LMC Hobbies, and because they come with the older motor. No difference, don't bother me at all, nothing wrong with the old motor. I'm just going to quickly run through what you get and what it looks like. So start off with, that's the main frame. It's a really nice carbon fibre, one piece, alley bearing blocks, silky smooth bearings. Just can't try and get it out in the light. So really tough. Obviously you get the plain white skids as usual. The main gear and the bolts in the bottom, and it looks like the Jesus bolt for the head is in there as well. And go the motor and speed controller that comes in the kit standard. This is the old motor, but in my opinion I like it. There's nothing wrong with this motor at all. And the good old 35 amp align speed controller. Good speed controller, really good soft start. What else we got? Obviously the tail boom, torque tube. I've noticed this comes with the older torque tube as well, the one that doesn't break as easy apparently. I don't really see any difference out of the two, but could just be me. The main shaft with the little parts there hasn't got a sliding collar, so you have spaces to take up any slop. Main blades, carbon fibre main blades. Tell you what, we'll get these out real quick. No going back now. You get a little align tracking stickers, weight stickers. So these are the Align 325 carbon fibre blades. Really nice blades, really nice finish. I do like these blades a lot. Obviously you get the manual, that's pretty standard. What else we got? We can start with the rotor head, go to the rotor head. Really nice chunky rotor head, everything feels totally smooth as usual with a line kit. We'll take all this apart obviously and check for thread lock and re-thread lock it all and clean it up. Soft plate, nice and wide at the bottom. Silky smooth. And seat, the flybar cage, etc. It's not really a lot to it, to be honest. We've got bearings in there, but silky smooth as usual. No binding or anything like that, anything that bugs the hell out of me. And the torque tube, well, the torque tube towel, really nice finish. Weighted blade grips and silky smooth, straight out of the box. So far so good. Actually we've got this little box here we'll quickly go through. Which comes with odd little goodies. These servo horns, even though I've got my own ones. I think that's a 13 tooth pinion. Spare ball links, bolts, etc. And it looks like your spacers for the main shaft, your flybar pedals, horizontal and vertical fin, tail blades, fin support, servo ball links and rods, and for the head, screwdriver and Allen key set, blade holder, velcro strap, zip ties, gyro pads, and velcro. I think that's it in that box, which it is. Now I'm just going to quickly run through what electronics I'm going to be using. For the cyclic servos, I'm going to be using the Eno Lab digital metal gear servos. Really good servo, pretty fast. It's got about, I think it's on 6 volts, 2 kilograms, 11 seconds roughly. So really good servo. I'm going to be using 3 of them, obviously. And last but not least, for the towel is the MKS digital tail servo. Brilliant tail servo. It's what's the speed on this? I'm not too sure actually, to be honest. I did know. Anyways, it's the DS8910A Plus. So it is super quick. But that's about it really. What else have we got? That is it. So I'll start building, take all of this apart, clean it all up, thread lock it properly, and I'll come back. Alright, see you later. Cheers, bye.